Alright, Operation Spring Clean is coming along real good. Several trips to the recycling center and donation center. Just wanted to show you a few of the things that I still have left over from the garage sale. A lot of the stuff I put on the Facebook Market website locally here. And got a few nibbles on the stereo stuff, but nothing on the tires yet. These are great tires. Very quiet and comfortable ride. I'm surprised not too many people are responding on Facebook Market. During the garage sale, a lot of people look at them. I even cranked that thing up to almost full power. That thing goes really loud. One thing I did with some of the money that I got from the garage sales, put up some LED shop lights. Got these at Lowe's. They're Utilitech. Put 4 of them up. This one I had to go this way because the socket up there was kind of cattywampus, and also fixed all the wiring. The existing wiring wasn't even grounded, so fix that. And here's my work here in this back corner of the garage, painted. And if you saw my live video yesterday, you can see my fat butt out there working. But this really turned out great, guys. Got the microwave up there on this shelf with all my battery charging stuff. This is a Farberware coffee maker. Thanks, BC Truck. I'm going to use this out here in the garage. Cleaned up all that stuff there. The 1984 Harman Kardon receiver still sounds phenomenal, and I've got it grounded too. Really picks up great stations. All nice and cleaned up, all ready for summer and mowing, with my Cobalt 80 volt stuff there, ready to rock and roll. Oh, got to show you this here. This is my DeWalt folding table. Hung this up along with the stand there. I used some of the garage sale money and bought an electric grill. This is one of those George Foreman deals with the ceramic grill material there, and dying to test it out on my solar circuit to see if it, number one, see if it would work. So check this out. Got it plugged in. Uses about 1,500 watts on setting number 4, just under 13 amps. This thing gets hot in like 5 minutes. No, and it's consistent hot too. I moved that thermometer all around the grill. Kind of cool. So, success. Very happy with that. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this up. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.